I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right cable and checking your PC. This matters because many cables are charge-only and won't transfer data. Plug a data-capable USB-C into the Xbox Series X controller, then into a USB-A or USB-C port on the PC. Once done, make sure Windows is updated so drivers install automatically. If Windows prompts for device permission, accept it. This immediate setup minimizes driver conflicts and speeds the rest of the process. After plugging in, pay attention to Windows installing drivers. You should see a notification that a game controller is ready. If nothing appears, open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices to confirm the controller is listed. Next, check Device Manager under Xbox Peripherals or Human Interface Devices and update the driver manually if needed. Doing this ensures the controller is recognized as an input device and prevents games from seeing input as generic or unresponsive. Now test the controller in the Xbox Accessories app or in Steam Big Picture to confirm buttons, sticks, and triggers respond correctly. If a control doesn't work, first try a different USB port and a different data-capable cable. Ports can be faulty or limited to power only. If still failing, restart the PC and check Windows Update and the Xbox Accessories app for a firmware update. One quick troubleshooting tip: replug while holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds to force a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.